guys, this is Faithlyn with Elegance for Less. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm glad that you've chosen to watch this video. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome and thank you. Thank you so much. I truly am happy that you are choosing to watch this video and hope that you will become a subscriber. If you do like this video, I hope that you will like it and share with your family and friends. I truly appreciate that. And this project is inspired by Gallerie. I saw this in the Gallerie magazine and also in the store and fell in love with it. I'm getting ready to do my Valentine's tablescape, one of my Valentine's tablescape to share with you guys, and wanted to add this to the tablescape. So what you'll need for this project is your wine glasses, and I went ahead and did one of them already to share with you guys of what it will look like. So you will need your wine glass with the stems, or even without the stems. I've seen them with the stems and without the stems. We're going to use the ones with the stems. You're going to need your glue gun and glue sticks. You will need foil paper. If you don't have parchment paper, foil paper is perfectly fine. You will need to have some coconut oil or your spray, cooking spray. Then you will also need some gems, and I am going to use the one from Walmart with the adhesive on the back already. So let's jump right in, because this is going to be a quick and easy project. Extremely quick and easy. I know I say that on every single one of my videos, but this one truly is quick and easy. First thing you're going to do is start with the stem. Add just a bit of glue, not a lot. Take one of your strips, add it to the glue, hold it till it's dry. And because I'm not keeping this permanently, I am not going to glue it all down, but if this is something that you want to keep for a while, you can go ahead and glue it down. Like I said, this is one of my tablescape. I've got possibly one more, and I may use the same glasses, so I don't want to keep it permanent. And guys, that's basically it. You're going to use your glue gun twice, that's it, and create this. Now that you've got it on where you have chosen to stop your glue, you're going to put just a tad bit more glue there. Even though you have your adhesive on the back of your gem, I like to still add a little bit of the glue just to make sure it's on for a while. Then go back, clean up all your... Okay guys, so that's it for your glasses. That was quick and easy, and I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I hope you guys like it a lot. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. I truly appreciate those thumbs up. And share, just hit the share button, share with your family and friends. I am looking forward to your comments on these, because they truly are quick, easy, beautiful, and achievable. All it took was your glue gun, glue sticks, and some spray paint. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you later on my tablescape video.